Scrubbing is tedious, time-consuming, and challenging. We know a way to get better, faster results without the grueling, manual effort that stubborn dirt usually demands. Power scrubbers. Power scrubbers are affordable, easy to use, and life-changing in their function. These machines are an excellent solution for a cleaner home, while freeing up your time and energy. Once you realize how effortless the best power scrubbers are to use, they're hard to resist. Check out our roundup of the 5 best power scrubbers to help you eliminate stubborn dirt. Bathroom scrubbers are available in various sizes and can be used for different tasks. To assist you in finding the perfect scrubber and help you keep your bathroom clean, we've rounded up the finest bathroom scrubbers in this post. So, pick one from the list to suit your cleaning requirements and make this otherwise unpleasant task more bearable. There are many options for accessible power scrubbers, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I guided a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top cheap power scrubbers from faithful manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following expansive investigation, I invented that these products are quite favorable for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, make sure to check my description. So without any more delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. MECO Electric Spin Scrubber. Customers love this model so much because it's the whole package, giving you great value for money. It's versatile with a set of handy attachments and extra features. Use this scrubber throughout your home, for large jobs and detailing. MECO includes a flat brush, corner brush, and rounded brush. You can attach these to an ergonomic handle for easy, comfortable use. Like that, there's a built-in LED light for monitoring the battery. This prevents the surprise of running out of charge mid-clean. Simply recharge the battery with the charger when needed, no guesswork is needed. Covers all bases, like the choice of brushes included with this product. Though there are only 3 attachments, they're comprehensive in cleaning flat surfaces, corners, and drains. You'll have all you need. Number 2. Holikme Drill Brush Attachment Set. Do you have a power drill at home without needing to buy an entire machine like the MECO? This Holikme set is comprehensive in cleaning, and in fact, has more attachments than our top choice. This set includes 8 brushes, 12 pieces scouring pads of different stiffness, 3 wool pads, 5 scrub sponges, and an extension for tricky, out-of-reach spots. The brush range consists of a stiff brush, 4 medium and 3 soft. This is a multi-purpose kit that you can use almost anywhere. It's safe to use on glass, tiles, and even car exteriors, and can tackle stubborn dirt, grime, and grout. Where we like 30 attachments for multi-use, your drill will become a great versatile scrubber with this kit. Plus, with 30 attachments, it provides excellent value for money. Number 3. Drillbrush All-Purpose Power Scrubber Kit. Here's another if you don't mind some D. Though the drill isn't included, you could save a lot of money on an entire machine if you already have one. With this kit, you can turn almost any handheld drill into a power scrubber. These medium stiff nylon brushes are best used in the bathroom, as you can use them on porcelain, fiberglass, and tiles. They're designed for gentle but effective cleaning of your tubs and sinks. In this kit, you get 3 brushes. An original round brush, a flat brush, and a short bristle brush. What we like budget-friendly option. This brush kit comes at a fantastic price compared to power scrubber machines. If you have a drill at home, you could save tens of dollars investing in this product instead of a new handheld model. It's affordable and convenient. Number 4. Gofoit Electric Spin Scrubber. If you're willing to spend a little extra on a scrubber, this one won't disappoint. It's sleek, versatile, and includes 4 excellent attachments for concentrated cleaning of tricky dirt. A detachable extension helps you clean all those inconvenient spots you typically struggle to reach. Made of high-quality ABS, polypropylene, and rubber. Its battery and brushes are strong and efficient, while the scrubber itself only weighs 2.44 pounds. Charging the battery takes about 5 hours, and you get 50 to 75 minutes of runtime. What we like: easy and sturdy extension handle. Adjusting the length of this scrubber is easy. All you have to do is press the release button to dismantle the extension or lock it into place. On top of being easy to use, the extension is made of steel, so it's easy to maintain and sturdy. Overall, it's excellent for cleaning high or out-of-reach spots. Great value for money. This product will cost you more than our other choices will, but with good reason. It's a sophisticated model with a good range of features worth the price. As with the Marchand's Market set, 4 brushes are included, more than most scrubbers. They include a standard dome brush, flat brush, and pointed corner brush. Number 5. Tilswall Electric Spin Scrubber. When it comes to cleaning, sometimes power tools just can't reach into every corner. But along came the Tilswall Electric Spin Scrubber. With adjustable lengths and handles, you can now master flexible cleaning. It spans from 27.6 inches to 43.3, allowing you to get into hard-to-reach corners and ceilings. Now you can ensure that every last inch of your home is sparkling clean. What we like: 3 hours cleaning per charge. This comes with a 4000 mAh 3.7 volts battery to ensure you have enough power to see you through all cleaning tasks. The cordless scrubber can last up to 180 minutes runtime after full charging. This allows you to get through every last stain before the battery is drained and requires recharging. 360 degrees high speed. Enjoy speedy full rotations with this scrubbing brush. It ensures a fantastic clean, even on the most stubborn of stains. In fact, this can fully replace the pains of elbow grease. Now that you have a machine that does the hard work for you. 4 extra attachment heads. With 4 extra different attachment heads, you can clean everything. The extra wide head is excellent for larger areas. The small flat brush is for smaller areas. The pointed brush is great for tile grout and cranny places. And the corner scrubber is for corners, tight areas, and grout lines. Overall, this scrubber can clean pretty much any area, inside or outside. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.